Soundstripe.
Hi guys, welcome to Civical Saturday Vlogmas. Today, Vlogmas Day 1, we will learn how to cut a kimono. Step number 1 is you fold your fabric into 2 pieces. And then using the largest measurement, which is the hips in most people, sometimes it's the waist, you're going to divide by 4. In my case, it's 13. Make sure it's equal all the way down. Step number 2, measure the neck 3 inches, shoulder 5 inches. At the 5-inch mark, go down by 1 inch and then join that line to the neckline. Then we are going to measure 1 inch down at the neckline. This is the back neckline, that's why we are measuring 1 inch down. We're going to start by cutting the back first, and then you're going to use the back to cut the front. Step number 4, from the shoulder line, mark 10 inches down, which is the bust line, then 16 inches down, which is the waistline. At the bust, I removed 1 inch, making it 12 inches. Then I measured 8 inches to match with the shoulder line. Next, connect that line from the bust line to the shoulder line, and then you get the middle point. In my case, the middle point was 4.5. At that mark, the 4.5 mark, measure half an inch inside, and then you connect from the 12 inches at the bust line, going through that half a mark to the shoulder. And there we have your armhole. Next step, you're going to connect the waist and the bust line. The waistline still remains 13. Then you're going to measure the total length of your kimono. Mine was a mid-length kimono, making up a total length of 47 inches. Then 13 inches is the standard from top to bottom. That's what I'm measuring here, just to make sure that it is equal from top to bottom, or rather from the waist to bottom. And with that, the back pattern is done. So you just cut it out, and then we're going to use that back pattern to cut the front pattern. Something to note at the armhole, the back pattern you don't go inside by half an inch. You only do that for the front pattern. So the back pattern you cut at the exact point. Also, the 13 inches I've already included sewing allowance. So it's your hips divided by 4 plus sewing allowance. We are now using the back pattern to cut the front pattern. We now have two patterns, the front and the back. At this point, they are the same. And at this point, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's work on the front pattern. Here I was confirming the 16 inches from the shoulder to the waistline. It's normally 16 inches. At that waistline, mark 1 inch inside and then join that shoulder line to our 1 inch, the one that we have marked at the waistline. Join it with a straight line. And then from the hip line going down, you're going to measure 1/2 inch. And then you join to the waistline. The next step, you're going to cut from the shoulder line to the 1/2 inch at the waistline all the way down. Now we have a complete front kimono pattern. At the armhole, you're going to go inside by 1/2 inch to make it the front armhole, because currently we are using the back armhole. That's it for making a kimono pattern. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2.